Casio. Let's have a little look what we got then. Shop all Casios. Huh. Nice. Got that one, had that one. Yep. Got that one. Oh, yep. Got that one. Got that one. Got that one. Lots of Casios that I own already. Got that one. Oh, hello. What's this then? The new black F-91W. 1999. Good year. Huh. I might get that. Yeah, let's get it. Good evening and Casio. How's everyone doing out there? It's another watch review from me, and tonight we've got the F-91WB-1AEF. Nice. And the question is, should Casio have made this watch even more simplistic than the 1989 classic? I think they should have. I think it looks good. I think it looks very simplistic, plain. The colours, well, there is no colours. It's all black. So a lot of people probably will hate this watch and some will love it. Like myself, it caught my eye and I thought, I think I'm going to get that. £20 from Argos, and here it is in the box, ready for review. Just like to say a big thank you to all the people that subscribed lately. We went to 500 and then we went to 600 and then to 700, which is amazing. Can't believe it. And hopefully, maybe by the Christmas, we might have 1,000 subscribers. I truly hope so. But yeah, keep on watching, keep on subscribing, guys. Okay, let's not beat around the bush. Let's open up this watch and see what's inside the box. Alrighty ho, let's open this up. Little annoying thing, Argos decided to put a giant sticker all the way around this box, which subsequently ripped off the label. It's quite annoying. Really annoying actually. But I'm not gonna be too annoyed about it for too long. Okay, let's open it up. Box open. Watch out of the box. Let's have a little look. Let's see how good looking this thing is. Yes. Let's take this little card structure out of it. Okay. Pull the plastic off. Nice. Always the best part. There we go. Very simplistic, this thing. It is so black. Absolutely no color to it, but I think that's why Casio did it. Just to mess with an old design, take some color out of it and just make it completely jet black. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a Batman watch, I would say. Batman would probably wear this one. It's pretty nice. I like it. I do like it. Very like these things. I don't actually own an F-91, so this, if I keep it, will be my little puppy, my little F-91. Great. Love it. I just love how simplistic it is. Just looks cool. Like I said, love it or hate it. This is just a variation of the original. And I'm glad Casio do things like that, because not everyone's going to like every watch. It's not going to be for everyone, this one. But I truly like it. Let's try it on. Boom. There we go. F-91WB on the wrist. Pretty cool. Even on my 7.5-inch wrist, it still looks cool, I think. It's a little bit small, but I like it. Really like it. Comfy. Anyone who owns these, you know what you're getting. Pure comfort and simplicity. Tells the time, tells the date, stopwatch. What more could you want, really? Love it. It's just, I just think that they always needed to make a black one. Why not? Why wouldn't they? you know, they made a white one, which I wouldn't buy personally, but this black one, I really like it. I think it's cool. Just a little close up here, just in case anyone out there wants to know what it's like close up. Cool, cool, cool. Cool little watch. It's cool. I think I'm going to keep this. I think it's a keeper. Really, really like it. No colour, no lines through it, just writing. Simplest of watches. Fantastic. Cool, let's just take it off a minute. The one thing I would say about these F-91s is it's just never... They could do with a little bit more strap. Maybe just a little, another ½ inch of strap. Maybe that would ruin the aesthetics of it. There we go. Made in China. F-91, stainless steel back, water resistant. 3 bar I think this is. So yeah, I wouldn't go too far underwater in it, but it will survive an impact, I'm sure. Very thin. Lovely little soft strap. £20 for this. I think Argos are currently selling the original for like $11.99, which, yeah, is very, very cheap. So I've paid a bit more for this, but it's a new release, and yeah, it's cool. I like it. I'm going to score this watch a 7 out of 10, because I think it probably should be in your collection, especially if you love the sort of darker Casios, you know, the G-Shocks that you can get that are all black. This is kind of a good companion to those black G-Shocks. Very nice. Cool. Well, I think it is time to do the backlight test, and I think you all know how good this backlight is going to be. Okay, here we are, darkest room in the house for the backlight test, or the side light test of this F-91WB. There we go. Love it. The thing is with these lights, yes, they're not very good, but I actually quite like the colour of it. I actually like that green. I think it's actually a cool colour. But yeah, you can see the time. And that's pretty much what Casio want you to do, is see the time. Just about. For £20. We are back. That was the testing of the light. And like I said, you can see the time. Casio just want you to see the time with these things on a budget. And that's pretty much what you can do. Great little colour green. Yeah. You can't fault it really for the money. I think it's a great little watch. I'm glad I bought it. And I think it's a keeper. I'm going to keep it and just add it to the collection, and yeah, wear it when and wherever I want to, really. You can wear it with anything you want, even a suit. Why not? So I think you should definitely go and buy this model. I did, and I'm not dissatisfied really with it. So yeah, cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. I have just purchased a G-Shock, so that will probably be the next video. So I'm quite excited to show you that one. Not going to tell you which one it is yet, because that would be telling. So thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.